honeymoon, past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love, at times we get sick of love. Seems like we argue every day. I know I misbehave, we make mistakes. We both still got room left to grow. I know love sometimes hurts, I still put you first. We'll make this thing work, but I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Maybe we'll live and learn. Maybe we'll crash and burn. Maybe we'll stay. Maybe we'll leave. Maybe you'll return. Maybe another fight. Maybe we won't survive. Maybe we'll grow. We never know. Baby, you and I, we're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Slow. 'Cause time will take it slow.
Marky! Thank you very much to our quartet. Maraming salamat. Marky? Well, first of all, Marky, you surprised us that you play the piano too.
Yeah.
How come you did not play the piano during your auditions?
Kasi
Relax.
parang mountain siya.
Parang mountain, okay?
So, dito yung start. And then,
Paakyat. Dinahandahan mong paakyat.
Opo.
Let's find out what the judges have to say.
Oo, yun din yung napansin namin kasi nag-level up siya kasi dati kumakanta. Hindi namin alam na marunong pala siyang magpiano. At ang guwapo-guwapo mo habang nagpa-piano ka.
Salamat.
Hindi ka lang talented, ang pogi-pogi mo pa.
Salamat po.
O friendship. Mataas mo maluha-luha.
Oo, naluha-luha talaga ako. You sang to my heart. You
Salamat.
sang exactly what I'm feeling.
Wow.
Eh, machi-chismis na ako kung magsalita pa ako. Kaya, oo, shut up na ako. Pero, kung ano po yung nararamdaman ko, kinanta mo. You're
Salamat po.
wonderful.
Salamat po.
Kung ako lang ang papipiliin, panalo ka na.
Marky,
Yes po.
nung una, hindi ako masyadong believe sa'yo. But now, I think you really have impressed all of us here. You're great.
Salamat po.
Happy, bro? Happy?
Yeah, very happy. Salamat po.
He's just really ordinary.
Yeah,
Thank
ordinary
you very
na.
much, judges.
Wait, I'd like to say something first. Salamat talaga sa lahat ng mga friends ko na pumunta dito. Mga Markyholics. Salamat ha.
Okay, bro? At para sa
Na-name
mga
ba yung fan club mo? Kasi di ba meron
Opo.
tayo yung
Si
Jovenatics?
Anong pangalan ng
sa'yo,
fans
ano?
club mo?
Markyholics po.
Mikey Holics!
Para sa mga
Nakakaloka, may mga
Markyholics.
fans!
Kung gusto yung makapasok si Marky sa Grand Finals, ito ang dapat yung iboto. PGT space Marky. That's M-A-R-K-K-I.
That's PGT space Marky with a double K. Tandaan nyo yan. At ito, isang performer na lang at pwede na kayong bumoto. Thank you very much, Marky.
Salamat.
Good
Thanks.
luck,
Marky.
Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
Good job.
This is ordinary people.
Well, Billy Boy, I must say, ganyan din itsura ko nung kabataan ko.